Need to set the time on your Teka HS 735 oven? Whether after installation or a power cut, here's how to do it, step by step. Step 1. Activate the clock setting mode. Press the button with the clock icon or the function selector dial until the clock symbol appears on the screen and the hour starts flashing. Step 2. Set the hour. Use the plus and minus buttons to change the hour. Once the correct hour is displayed, press the clock button again. Step 3. Set the minutes. Now the minutes will start flashing. Again, use the plus and minus buttons to adjust. Step 4. Confirm the time, press the clock button one last time, or wait a few seconds. The display will stop flashing, confirming the time is set. Tip: if your oven has lost power, you'll need to repeat this process to reset the clock. Done. Your Teka HS 735 is now ready with the correct time. Like and follow for more simple appliance tutorials.